Why I took this is because we have some greenish particles. Okay, so we take it down. All right. So you see, very simple, very minimalistic. Okay. So we have green here and we have green there. Okay. So the next is to look for embellishment. Okay. With gold, something with this color, brown, orange. Okay. So we look for something like that to add to it. Okay, let's get it. We are looking for something that will fit. Okay. All right. I think we are going to take this. Okay. So with this now, that's it here. We choose layer mask. We go to gradient tool and we take this off. We change to smart object. We add layer mask again. We take this off. Okay. We change to smart object. We add layer mask and we take this off. Okay. All right. And we change it to smart object. Click on layer mask and we take this off. Okay. So this is what we have left. We can put this here. Okay. We hit Ctrl T and okay. We make it smaller and we bring it here. Okay. So we are going to bring it under the dark image. Okay. So we take it and we bring it under the dark image. Okay. Or we leave it at that. So how do you see it? Okay, we can add opacity to it. Okay. So to reduce it a little, that's it. That's the opacity. Okay. So this is what we have. And we bring it under the dark image. Okay. So that is it. Okay, let's add some patterns. Okay. So we get to look for patterns. Okay, let's take this. Okay, let's see what this will give to us. Okay, so we go to layer mask, we go to gradient, and we take this up. Okay, we change it to smart objects, hit on layer mask, and take this off. Okay, and convert smart object. Okay, so we go to opacity. Okay, so we are going to take it down under the main image. So that's it. So we go to eraser tool and we expand. Then we reduce the hardness and clean it up here. So this is it. So this is taking shape. Okay. So you see something is harmonizing. Okay. Next we are going to bring in gradients. Okay. We we go to adjustment layer and we hit on gradient. Okay. To give us black patches. Okay. So this is it. We go to radial and we bring it here. Okay. So we bring it here. Okay. We bring it here and we bring it here. Okay. We are going to group. Right. We have added the gradient. Okay. So next we are going to type happy birthday. So we go to type to and we type happy birthday. That's it. Right, we are going to change the font for happy birthday. So we go to character, we change to script, okay? And you choose the one you want. Okay, let's take this. So we remove birthday. We just want to take them one after the other and we duplicate happy. Okay, and we now type birthday. Okay, so we go to happy and we reduce it a little. Okay, then we take birthday. Okay, we select both of them, hit Ctrl T and expand a little. Okay, so this is it. We are going to merge happy and birthday together. So we select it, we convert to smart objects, then we go to blending options, okay, and we go to bevel and emboss, okay, so we take it outside, we soften it, okay, all right, we go to blending options again, and we go to color overlay and we change the color to orange, dark orange. Okay, so this is it. Now let's add a badge element for the date. We want to get a badge element for the date. Okay, let's look for another one.